What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Lewis and this is my 2005 Nissan 350Z. So if you did see the title and thumbnail, you guys are kind of like really confused and you have no idea what's going on. You're like, Lewis, like you just sold the Genesis, and if you guys are new to the channel, I used to have a Genesis coupe. I just sold it like a week ago, so I have some explaining to do, and I'm going to catch you guys all up to speed on why I've made this decision. So just don't worry, this isn't the end of the channel or nothing like that. I just, you know, I've been thinking about this for a while, and I think it's finally time. To make a long story short, I just sold my Genesis coupe, so I had two options. I could either A, invest the money into the Z and build the 350Z that I have, or B, I could, you know, save that money and I could sell the Z, combine the money, and then finance something really extra special. So I've been doing some thinking, and as much as I love the 350Z, I love this chassis, I love my personal car, it does need a lot of work. As you guys can see, there's a lot of body work to do. There's a lot of scratches, dings, dents all over the car. Instead of, you know, investing all of that money into this car just to fix it up, I think it would be better, and I think the smarter decision would be to sell this car and combine the money with the money that I sold the Genesis with and finance a new car. Now, I have a couple of ideas of what I want to get. I'm not going to let you guys know. It's definitely going to be a secret, and if I do get my hands on one, it's going to be a super big reveal video. But I just wanted to let you guys know that's the route I think I'm going to go. It would be better because if I can get my hands on something nice, OEM in stock, I can start modifying it right away. But you know, if we were to put money into the Z, we would first have to fix the car and then we could mod it, and it's just kind of like I'm backtracking at that point. So I just hope you guys all understand, you know, my decision. I've been thinking about it for the past like week or two. That's why I haven't, you know, been uploading, and I think this would be the best thing for the channel. I think this is, you know, a really good way that I can grow. I'll bring like a super awesome car to the channel. Not that the Z isn't super awesome, it's just my Z personally, it needs a lot of body work and stuff like that, and I just don't feel like investing thousands of dollars just to fix the car up. I'd rather invest thousands to like build it, you know what I mean? So anyways, guys, with all that said, I hope that you support my decision, and yeah, but I just thought that in today's video it would be cool if, you know, we did one last kind of like POV style video with the Z, because I actually have a buyer coming in like maybe an hour or two. Friggin' helicopters are always ruining my videos. I swear, they fly over this house like every single day with airplanes, because I live right by the airport, and like they always ruin them. I will give you guys a cold start of the car because I have not started the car all day, and yeah, I'll take you along with me. We can drive around for maybe 10-15 minutes, enjoy the last drive, because potentially this car will be leaving the channel, sadly. I personally don't want it to, guys. You don't have any idea. I literally owned this car for like a good month, like 1 month. That's not enough time with any type of car unless you truly hate it, and I love this thing. But you know, it's for the channel, it's for the growth of the channel, and I'm sure when you guys see the new car, you're gonna be super stoked and you're gonna be super shocked, and you just won't see it coming. So I didn't install it, guys, but we are running an HKS muffler, and then it is a whole entire straight pipe welded onto the car. I didn't install any type of mods on this car. The only thing you might have noticed that's different are the rims. I traded for a new set, but here is how a straight piped HKS muffler 350Z sounds like. The guy actually texted me. He texted me, hey man, I just got on the highway. There's a lot of traffic. So I'd imagine he'd be here in probably like an hour or so. So we're just gonna have, you know, fun with the Z while we can, and maybe I might even wash the car. We'll see. Who knows? Maybe he doesn't buy it, and maybe this video is like really pointless and I have to delete it. But yeah, guys, I think he's really serious. So it does suck. Ugh. It just, you know, it sucks. I literally just got this car, but I figured I just started my new job, and I'm making pretty decent money, and I need something to take me to and from work reliably. And just, you know, as far as the Z, it's a great car, but just my personal Z, it's not in the best condition, and I just don't feel like investing thousands to fix it up. The car seems to already be up to temp. I took my Nismo shift knob off. I actually went to the junkyard the other day and I found a Nissan Altima. It was a manual, so I just stole the shift knob from that, because I'm keeping my Nismo. I'm not selling the car with the Nismo shift knob. But yeah, guys, everything is all cleaned out. All the storage back there, even the trunk space is really clean. Like I you know, I have the whole car ready for the guy, so. All right, GoPro's on. Z is all warmed up, so let's, you know, take a drive, and, you know, maybe it might even be the last drive. That kind of breaks my heart to say. I literally just got this car, but trust me, guys, when I say I have something very big planned in the works, and it's something, you know, far better than a 350Z. The car is on KW coilovers, so it is pretty stiff. I got my wallet, yep. This thing drives so good, guys. I'm honestly so sad that, you know, I was like thinking about it the other day, and I was just like, you know, let me list the car. And I was thinking maybe I could have the car for like one more week, maybe like 2 weeks max, but literally the next day somebody hit me up and they're just like, oh, I got cash in hand, you know, I'm really interested. So basically the plan is just to meet up with this guy. So right now I guess he's on the highway, so come on, people. You see what I mean, guys? People are bad at driving, so just gotta be careful and watch out. Sixth gear. I messed up the downshifts. No, it's all good. What the heck? That guy was riding a bike with 2 dogs on the back on the road. That's something that you only see in Florida. If this car does sell today, guys, I'm gonna be so sad. Like, I promise you. Like, I'm happy that what we will get after, but I'm sad that I have to let this car go so soon. But don't, you know, get worried. I would definitely want to get another one of these in the future. I swear, I say that about every car. I want another IS300. If you guys don't know, I used to own an IS300, a Lexus IS300. And that car is special because it comes with a bulletproof NA2JZ from factory. If you guys didn't know that, do a little bit of research. It's a great four-door sedan. I had, you know, the Genesis Coupe. I had the 2.0 turbo. That was pretty fun with bolt-ons. Then I got the Z. Full send. I'm trying to give a little bit of distance because these roads up here, they get a little bit twisty. And, you know, I think it's very appropriate, the final send-off in the Z, if this guy does buy the car, you know, hit some back road twisties. It doesn't get any better than that, so I'm just going to keep a little bit of distance from traffic up ahead, and, oh, it's a doggy. Hopefully my downshifts are on point, because this is super fun when you're going like 60, 70 miles an hour through it. But, of course, we're in Mexico, so no need to worry. No traffic up ahead. Okay guys, so I think right now what I'm gonna do is I am going to wash the Z really quick and then head home and wait for the guy, and then if the car does sell, I will pick up the camera. If it doesn't, I'll still pick up the camera and let you guys know, but we'll see. Just made it back home guys, and I just washed the Z. You can't really tell, I just went to like one of those drive-in washers as you saw in the last clip, but the people say they're like 5-10 minutes out, so I'll see them when they get here, and maybe they'll be leaving with this car. It's really sad to say, but as you guys just saw from like the big pull, this car drives amazing and it pulls really good. I will pick up the camera once they get here and I will let you guys know. There she goes guys, another car sold. Breaks my heart, I had to do it, but so now we have nothing left in the driveway. Man, I gotta buy like a bicycle or something. But yeah guys, just stay tuned. I promise you, you will not regret it. I have super big things coming to the channel, and with all that said, I will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully it's sooner than later and we have a new car that we are going to add to the channel. Like I said, I'm dealing with a lot of personal life issues. I plan on moving out of my house and moving in with some roommates pretty soon, and I'm also going to be getting a new car, so the channel is only going up from here guys. And with all that said, I just want to say thank you for supporting me all of 2020. The channel has grown so much. I think we've got over like 500 subs, maybe even more, just 2020 alone. So you know, it was a pretty crazy year, but as far as, you know, the channel, just thank you guys for all the love and support you give me, and until then, I will see you guys in the next episode. Hopefully that is sooner than later and we have the new build on the channel. But yeah, with all that said, my name is Lewis and I sold my Genesis and I sold my 350Z, but I will see you guys soon with the new car. So just stay tuned and be safe guys. Peace out.